Good morning class. Today I want to describe about number system for class 9th exercise 1.5 question number 2nd. Part 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. Today I want to describe about simplification of expression. Today I want to describe about simplification of expression. You can solve your question very easily by the help of identity. So you learn identity. First identity, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Second identity, a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Third identity, a square minus b square equal to, in first brackets, a plus b and in second brackets, a minus b. It is identity. You can solve your expression by the help of these identities. So you learn it carefully. Clear? Simplification of expression is very easy. You can solve your expression very easily, but you learn these identities and you see the board with full concentration. Clear? No confusion. NCERT number system class 9th exercise 1.5. Questions. Second, simplify each of the following expression. First, in brackets 3 plus root 3 brackets closed. In second brackets 2 plus root 2 brackets closed. Clear? Second question, in brackets 3 plus root 3 brackets closed. In second brackets 3 minus root 3 brackets closed. Third equation, in brackets root 5 plus root 2 brackets closed whole square. Clear? Fourth, in brackets root 5 minus root 2 brackets closed. In second brackets root 5 plus root 2 brackets closed. It is your expression. You solve it. Clear? It is very easy. Simplification of these is very easy. You put identity. You put identity and put values. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Solution. In brackets 3 plus root 3, in second brackets 2 plus root 2 brackets closed. Clear? Equal to 3 common, in brackets 2 plus root 2 brackets closed, plus root 3 common, in brackets 2 plus root 2 brackets closed. Here in brackets, first brackets 2 plus root 2, in second brackets 2 plus root 2 are same. Clear? Are same. It is equal to 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. It become 6 plus 3 root 2. It become 2 root 3 plus root 6. You find your solution of first expression. Clear? No confusion. You simplify the first expression very easily. Clear? No confusion. Very good. See the board. Second solution. In brackets 3 plus root 3 brackets closed. In second brackets 3 minus root 3 brackets closed. Clear? Equal to 3 whole square minus root 3 whole square equal to 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Here identity. Here identity a plus b in one bracket and in second brackets a minus b. equal to a square minus b square. You learn this identity and solve your equation, your expression by help of this identity. Clear? You can solve your expression very easily by help of this identity. Clear? No confusion about it. Here, cut square and root 3. 3 square means 3 multiply 3, it become 9. Cut square and root, it become minus 3. Subtract 9 minus 3, it become 6. Your answer is 6. You find very easily your answer by help of this identity. Clear? Very good. See the board. Solution third. In brackets root 5 plus root 2 whole square equal to, in brackets root 5 whole square plus, in brackets root 2 whole square plus 2 multiply root 5 multiply root 2 equal to 5 plus 2 root 10 equal to 7 plus 2 root 10. It is your answer. You apply the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Clear? It is, your expression is in the form of this identity. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Clear? Here, root 5 whole square means a square. Clear? B square means root 2 square. 2 means 2 multiply. A means root 5, B means root 2. Clear? Square cancel by root and square and root cancel. Here 5, here 2 and 2 multiply root 5 multiply root 2. Clear? It become 5 2 are 10, 2 root 10. You find 5 plus 2 plus 2 root 10, 5 to 7 plus 2 root 10 is your answer. You find very easily your answer by the help of this identity. So you learn this identity. Clear? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Next. Solution 4. In brackets root 5 minus root 2 brackets closed. In second brackets root 5 plus root 2 brackets closed equal to, in brackets root 5 whole square minus, in second brackets root 2 whole square. Here cut square and root. Here cut square and root. It become 5, it become minus 2. Subtract, you find 3. Clear? You subtract 2 from 5, you find 3. Your answer is 3. You apply the identity a minus b in first brackets and a plus b in second brackets equal to a square minus b square. You can solve your expression by the help of this identity. Clear? Here root 5 means a, root 2 means b, minus. Clear? In first brackets, clear? In second brackets a means root 5, b means root 2, plus means plus. Clear? In second brackets a plus b, here root 5 plus root 2. Clear? Equal to a square minus b square. A square means root 5 whole square. B square means root 2 whole square. Clear? Minus. Clear? You cut root and square. And here you cut root and square. You find 5 minus 2 equal to 3. It is your answer. You simplified your all expressions by the help of 3 identity. a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Second identity, a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Third identity, a square minus b square equal to, in first brackets a plus b, in second brackets a minus b. You learn three identity and you can solve your expression by the help of identity. Clear? In this way you can solve any expression. You can simplify any expression by the help of these identities. Clear? It is very easy. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.